Hello, in this video you will learn how to use the Pythagorean theorem to solve for a missing side length in a right triangle. As you can see in this slide, you have two right triangles. How do I know that they're right triangle? Well, I can see that they both have a 90-degree angle. Otherwise, we cannot use the Pythagorean theorem. So let's start with the problem on the left. The first step is to classify the sides, because as we can see on the formula, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, we need to determine which one is a, which one is b, which one is c. Now, if you're looking at the 90-degree angle, across from the 90-degree angle, we have the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is the letter C. The other two, I usually go with the smallest side being A, and then the other side being B. So let's go ahead and solve the problem. We have the formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And let's substitute the numbers in. We have that a is 5. That means 5 squared. Plus, we have that b is 12. That means that we have 12 squared. And we do not know what c is, but we know that c is x in this case. So we have x squared. I know that 5 squared, now we are evaluating, is 25, plus 12 squared is 144, equals to x squared. In this problem, we add the two numbers on the right hand side. 25 and 144 gives us 169, equals to x squared. Now we need to take the square root of both sides in order to solve for x, and the square root and the x cancel out. We get x equals to 13. That means that the value of c is equal to 13. Now the problem on the right hand side will use a similar technique. Find the hypotenuse. This is c. Then the top side seems to be the shortest. I will label that as a, and the one labeled with the x, I will label this one as b. Using the formula again, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now a is 6 meters, that means 6 squared. Plus, we do not know what b is. We are told that this is x. I will put x squared equals, and we have c, or the hypotenuse, which is 10. That means 10 squared. We are still trying to get x. 6 squared is 36, plus x squared equals 10 squared is 100. The difference between the previous problem and this problem is that both numbers were on the same side. In this case, they are not. That means we need to subtract 36 from both sides to make both numbers be on the same side. 36 minus 36 is 0. We have x squared equals to 64. At this point, we take the square root of both sides, and we get that x is equal to 8.